The Ecotric Lark bike is ideal for women, adults, and teens that want a stylish but capable bike that caters to your practical needs. This gorgeous electric road bike features a classic step-through frame and a unique bird-inspired, streamlined design. The Ecotric Lark is powered by a robust 36V, 500W DC hub motor sitting inside the rear wheel. It can accelerate fast and can reach a top speed of around 20 miles per hour on throttle, so it can make driving on the pavement effortless. This model has a 10 Ah capacity with a range of around 20 to 35 miles, so it has more than enough to last for a day. The Ecotric Lark electric bike features a twist throttle and pedal assist. The bike also comes with a 7-speed Shimano derailleur to control and ride it like an ordinary bike.
Buy yours now at Electric Bike Paradise and save hundreds of dollars in total savings. We ensure you the lowest price available, free shipping to lower 48 of USA, no sales tax outside Wyoming, and other Electric Bike Paradise exclusive promos and freebies. Limited stock on hand, so get yours now before they're gone. Welcome to Electric Bike Paradise, your #1 source to find the best electric bikes for sale. We're dedicated to giving you the very best electric bikes with a focus on selection, quality, and uniqueness. Shop our selection of name brand electric bikes today and get free shipping plus no sales tax and more.